Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can. Your duty is beyond repair. Blaming rocks over paradise, skin eyes of an oak tree. Your smile is like a breath of spring, your voice is soft like summer rain, and I cannot compete with you, Jolene. Talks about you innocently, there's nothing I can do to keep from crying when he calls your name, Jolene. Understand how you can easily take my hand, but don't know what it means to me, Jolene. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my hand. Jolene, 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 Jolene. You could have your choice of man, but I could never love again. It's the only one for me, Jolene. I had to have this talk.